I gotta be super heavy and try to block the leg. That leg that comes over is dangerous. Okay, that's the main attacks comes from. So when I'm there, people are like, I control this leg, the foreleg, right? Always. Normally, nobody defended, to be honest. But I will try to defend
For
it.
normal people, not you.
No, look, no, serious now. Like, for example, how people get me frustrated here, it's you need to be careful the ball with this hook, right? That's how people defend the position. Just take this foot away, right? So this foot is my left. That's very important. So that's why I'm always making people off balance that way. They cannot be square like this on the knees, because no, they have power to take this leg out and they can pass my guard. Okay, so this foot is important here. Got it? So always like that's why I'm always pushing they away, like the guys away, because if they're here, push me away. You like that. See, I don't. Even if I take this leg, when people take this leg out, I come with that one. Yes. Okay. So what I would suggest, people try on me because my students do this a lot. Okay. So when I'm here, I will stand up. Okay, I need to control this leg. So bring this leg over. I'm always here. Okay, holding this leg. Okay, now what I do here, I will cuff the knee and I'll push the legs all the way to that side. Okay, now I'm going to go all the way to that side after this. That's how normally I do. Okay, that's how normally I do from there. I gotta be super heavy and try to block the leg. That leg that comes over is dangerous. Okay, that's the main attacks comes from. So when I'm there, people are like, I control this leg, the foreleg, right? Always. I'll try to stand up here. Always control the foreleg. Block right here like this. Super heavy. See? Cup the knee and push all the way to the side. There's no plata because my arm is not here. It's on the other side. You see? Be careful of the triangle. Just be careful of the triangle. You posture up. Okay? So, that's why I don't stay there. As soon as I push and jump. When I'm here, I block the leg, right? Push and jump. Hug the hip. But he can still go to my back. That's why I go immediately to his back. I hook here. And over my shoulder. You see, if you step back, what I do, hook the leg, push him away, and take him back again. That's how I do, right? You guys don't need to roll to the back. You guys can just stay there. Make sure, as soon as you defend the position, you come towards the head. So over here, again, cup the knee. Push all the way. If the guy brings the leg down, you can just hug. That's fine. You can clear like this, perfect. Okay, if you can have if you have a big bump, and you can clear the leg like this, from here, you can clear the leg like this, that's like control. If not, like this, you can push and jump. Now what to do, they have it here on the head. Okay? You cannot be here because they can go to my back. Yeah. Now I'm done. Yeah. So as soon as I jump here to this side, push the hip. See? And I'll control the hip. Now he's done. This is very important. Control the hip. Because if I'm here, he can shift. If I'm here, he can control the hip. Okay? But if you guys want to go to the back, it's fine. That's amazing, right? Hook super tight. Control the body. Switch the hooks. Here,